Good day everyone, my name is Shondamay Ibora and now we will tackle about Don Francisco and Doña Chodora were a productive couple. They had 11 children. Saturnina was born in 1850, Pasiano in 1851, Narcisa in 1852, Olympia in 1855, Maria in 1859, Jose in 1861, Concepcion in 1862, Josefa in 1865, Trinidad in 1868, and Soledad in 1870. Francisco Engracio Rizal Mercado y Alejandro II, father of Jose Rizal, was born at the youngest of 13 children of Cirila, Alejandro, and Juan Mercado on May 11, 1818 in Biñan, Laguna. During his early education in his hometown, he studied Latin and later went on to study philosophy and Latin at the Colegio de San Jose in Manila. He died in Manila in January 5, 1898 at the age of 80. So Francisco Engracio Rizal Mercado y Alejandro II, siya ay mula sa ika-4 na henerasyon ng isang Chinese emigrante na nangangalang Domingo Lamco na dumating noong huling bahagi ng 1600. Iginagalang siya ng mga taga-Kalamba matapos siyang mahalal na kabiyesa de barangay o pinuno ng barangay. Doña Chodora Morales Alonzo Realonda y Quintos, mother of Jose Rizal, on November 2, 1827, she was born in Manila as the second child of Lorenzo Alonso and Brigida de Quintes. She attended the College of Santa Rosa. She died on August 16, 1911 in Manila at the age of 85 in her home at San Fernando Street in Binondo. Kahangahangang babae na may pinong kultura, talento sa panitikan, katalinuhan sa negosyo at tiyaga ng mga babaeng Spartan. Siblings of Jose Rizal. Dr. Jose Rizal's parents, Francisco Mercado and Chodora Alonzo, married on June 28, 1848. Chodora was Misic Tondo and Francisco was from Biñan, Laguna. They had 11 children with 2 boys and 9 girls. Saturnina, 1850-1913, was the eldest of the siblings and was commonly referred to as Neneng. She attended in La Concordia College in Manila, Santa Ana. Manuel Hidalgo of Tanuan, Batangas was her husband. In 1909, Doña Saturnina published Pascual Pablit's Tagalog translation of Noli Me Tangere. She passed away in 1913 at the age of 63. Tinulungan niya kasama ang kanyang ina na makaaral si Rizal at siya ang tumayong pangalawang ina ni Jose Rizal noong nakakulong ang kanilang ina. Pasiano, 1850-1930, was our national hero's elder and only brother. He was commonly referred as Shano prior to enrolling at the Colegio de San Jose in Manila. He studied Latin with Maestro Justiniano Cruz. He married his common-law wife, Severina de Sina, and they have 2 children. He died of tuberculosis at the age of 79. Siya ang pangalawa sa 11 magkakapatid at inalagaan niya si Jose Rizal at tinulungan niya makarating sa Europa. Habang nasa Europa si Jose, pinapadala niya ng mensahe at sulat para mabalitaan si Jose tungkol sa mga nangyayari sa Pilipinas at sa kanilang pamilya. Naging guro at kaibigan niya si Father Jose Borges, sumali at suportahan ni Pasiano ang propaganda, movement for social reform at ang dyaryo ng Kinisag. Sinuportahan din niya ang katipunan sa pagkuha ng mga miyembro galing sa Laguna. Pagkamatay ni Jose Rizal, naging general si Pasiano ng Revolutionary Army at naging military commander din ng Revolutionary Forces sa Laguna noong Philippine-American War. Dahil dito, hinuli siya ng mga Amerikano. Narcisa, 1852-1939, was the second daughter and third child of Francisco Mercado and Teodora Alonzo. She was married to Antonio Lopez, a teacher and musician. Tulad ni Saturnina, tumulong si Sisa sa pag-aaral ni Rizal sa Europa. Isinangla niya ang kanyang mga alahas at ibinentas ang kanyang mga damit para lang matustusan ang pag-aaral ni Jose Rizal. Olympian 1855-1887 was called as Tia. She was married to Silvestro Ubaldo, a telegraph operator from Manila. She is the fourth child in the Rizal family. Kung minsan ay nilarawan siya bilang matapang na kapatid na babae. Ang unang pag-ibig ni Jose sa Segunda Katigbak ay ka-eskwela ni Olympia sa La Concordia College. Pinagtapat ni Jose kay Olympia ang tungkol kay Segunda. At ang kapatid na babae ay kusang ng silbing tagapamagitan ng dalawang malabata na magkasintahan. Lucia, 1857-1919. In 1857, Lucia Rizal Herbusa was born. She married Mariano Herbusa, and they have 5 children. Siya ay pinagbintangan na nagsusul sa kanyang mga kababayan na huwag magbayad ng upa sa kanilang mga lupa, na nagdulot ng kaguluhan at silang mag-asawa ay minsan nang naghatulan na ipatapon sa ibang bansa kasama ang ibang miyembro ng pamilyang Rizal. Maria, 1859-1945. Maria Cruz Rizal was born in the year 1859. She married Daniel Faustino Cruz of Binyan, Laguna, and they have 5 children. Together, Maria passed away in 1945. Ang isa sa mga anak ni Maria na si Mauricio Cruz ay naging estudyante ni Jose Rizal sa Dapitan at nakilalang isa sa mga paborito ng kanyang tiyuhin noong nabubuhay pa si Jose. Kilalang tumatanggap si Maria na marami sa kanyang mga liham. Concepcion, 1862-1865, was called as Concha. She died at the age of 3. Siya ay binansagang Concha ng kanyang mga kapatid at kaanak. Si Concepcion Rizal ay pinanganak noong 1862 at namatay sa edad lamang na 3 taon noong 1865. Siya ang pang-8 sa 10 magkakapatid. Josefa, 1865-1945. Josefa Rizal was born in 1865. She was unmarried and lived with her sister Trinidad until death. Josefa was said to have suffered from epilepsy. She died in 1945. Si Josefa ay kilala rin bilang si Panggol. Siya ay nagkaroon ng sakit na epilepsy, ngunit sa kabila ng kanyang sakit, nagawa niya pa rin sumali sa katipunan at maging isang katipunera. Si Josefa ay nahalal bilang pangulo ng mga babae sa katipunan. Isa siya sa mga orihinal na miyembro ng katipunan kasama sila Gregoria de Jesus. Trinidad in 1868-1951. Trinidad Rizal was born in 1868. She remained single and shared a home with her sister Josefa. Trinidad died in 1951. Si Trinidad at ang kapatid na si Josefa ay namuhay ng magkasama hanggang sila ay mamayapa at parehong hindi nag-asawa. Soledad, 1870-1929. Soledad Rizal Quintero was the youngest of the Rizal siblings, born in 1870. She married Pantaleon Quintero and they have 5 children. Soledad passed away in 1929. Siya ay kilala rin bilang Chuleng. Si Rizal ay nasaludo sa kanya dahil siya ay isang guro at siya ang pinakaedukada sa kanilang magkakapatid. Siya ay sinabihan ni Rizal na dapat siya ay isang maging magandang huwaran para sa mga tao. Ito ay nakasulat sa mensahe noong 1890. Ancestors of Jose Rizal. The Rizal family was mixed of races as principales. Jose had Chinese ancestors on his father's side and Japanese ancestors on his mother's side. According to a recent study, his mother is from Raha, Lakatula. In short, his ancestry can also be traced back to Malayan and Indonesian Jews, resulting in truly magnificent blend of blood.